VTTI is hosting the technology showcase in partnership with CCI. We are trying to include new technology that can actually be applied to ADS, connected vehicles, and smart intersections with a focus of cybersecurity, safety, and also new technologies.
It's an opportunity for researchers throughout the Commonwealth through the CCI initiative to come together and share their research, what they've been working on the last few years, with the idea of bringing us together, getting us in rooms talking so that we can hopefully build collaborations together moving forward, so between nodes and within nodes. So I'm going to go ahead and lift off the brake a little bit. Today we demonstrated our automated truck-mounted attenuator lead-follow protocol. In addition to that, we showed how we can remotely control that vehicle if it were to encounter a situation in which it's not designed to handle. So we can remotely control, take control, and then maneuver the vehicle around obstacles that it can't maneuver around itself.
The drone is actually allowing to provide an aerial view. The aerial view is really helpful to provide aid to the supervisor or even the safety managers. Thanks to CCI, we were able to explore 5G, CV2X, and also ultra latency communications.
We're really happy that CCI agreed to give us funding to do this, allowing us to kind of exchange ideas and see where the next problems are, and we have a better understanding of that now, I think, and we can use that moving forward to do really good research, I think.